Welcome to WebStar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to use SQLite with Node.js without any external package. Node.js supports SQLite. SQLite is a file-based database which does not require any external server. You just have to import database sync from Node SQLite. Then name your database file. Your database file will be created with this name and data will be stored in this file. After that, you can execute commands against that database. For example, db.exec, then create table. Insert some data in the table with db.exec insert. And here are all the records with db.prepare. And then I'm logging records to the console. If I run this file, node app.js, database file is created, records.db. With these entries, I'm getting the data printed here from the table that we just created. And these are all the records that we stored in the database file. So this is how you can use SQLite in Node.js without any third-party libraries. You just have to use latest Node.js version 25. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.